sí mi hogar, ojo untitled. Ife sí mi hogar, ojo untitled. Your love saw me, your love fixed me, your love changed me, your love transformed me. Ife Alailegbe, oh God, oh God, Ife Alailegbe. When I think about where I was coming from, oh, I see your love, I see your love for me. Ife Alailegbe, Ife Alailegbe, Ife Alailegbe. I knew where it took me from. It would take someone who can love to change my life the way you did. I know my own history. I know the things my eyes have seen. It would take someone who can love to change me just the way he did. Ife Alailegbe, 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 Yesu laba mele honestika, Ife Alailegbe, Ife Alailegbe, Ife Alailegbe, Ife Alailegbe. Express your love to him. Oh, your love, oh, your love. the way you do. No one can change me like you do. No one could trust me the way you do. The way you believe in me is so mind-blowing. Your love is great. Your love is deep. It's so wide. Who would doubt that thou art mindful of me? You know the number of hair strands in my head. That's a lot of detail. We pour our love on you now. We pour our love on you right now. Zasalai anamama mekola. Zasalai anamaya no gagalabaya. Zemamaya kele walole. Chulaya le mawalole. Chulaya le mama walawayana. Oga, oga, oga. Oga, 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 oga. Say it with me. Oga, 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 oh, ofe, ofe. Ofe, 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 oh, oji, 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 oh, ah, oga, 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 oga. Ife Alailegbe. Ife Alailegbe. Ife Alailegbe. Ife Alailegbe. Oh, Ife Alailegbe. Yes. I'm seeing someone who has felt unloved for so long. The people around you did not show it to you. Jesus is extending his love to you right now. He's saying, baby, come. Let me love you the way I love. Not as men do. Come on, receive his love right now. Receive his love. Receive his love. Yes, sir. Changa, reste, king, anush, ille, kobe. This is the love that we know. This is the love that we know. This is the love that we know. That a man will lay down his life. This is the love that we know. Oh, this is the love that we know. Yeah, this is the love that we know. This is the love that I know. Oh God.
Listen very carefully. Listen. It says the time is coming when true worshippers will worship in spirit and truth. This thing you are singing is not a corporate one, it's for you. He loves all of us. Scripture says he loved the entire world, he gave his son. But as you're singing it, I want you to sing with a personal revelation. He loves us, yes, but do you know He loves you? Many of you are one revelation away from healing. If you really knew He loved you, you would have received more than you received this year. Because love kills, but you can't receive until you know He loves you. So as you're singing it, if you know you don't have that light, it's good to sing it until you see it. His love for you is so great. It's so great. It will swallow your addictions. It's so great. It will settle you. Is somebody hearing what I'm saying? Can you shout, I love you, Jesus?